The only thing that you need to have in this method is to just put a little bit time, give a little bit time and efforts and work. So if you give these two things, time and work, actually you will have a bunch of sale and you will have plenty of money with this trick method that you need to apply to your business. So let's jump into the main method. So first of all, and first, we are going to the Clickbank. If you don't have a Clickbank account, it's absolutely free, and we have many videos also the tricks and strategies with Clickbank. You can definitely visit our channel for more video or more Clickbank videos. So first of all, it's absolutely free. You can sign up for this if you don't have the account. And after that, once you come here, you can choose the best offer that you need to promote that have more clicks and more things. For example, so in today's video we are just showing you as an example the keto diet is it's an cooking, food and wine category. Actually, once you click here, so the first offer that it has the more gravity as this offer keto resources as actually the best product or offer that many people are promoting this offer and many people are getting sale from this offer. So we also need to just choose this one, the one which has more gravity system. So if we come to the gravity of this, it has 193 gravity, which means the best offer is this, and we need to promote. If we promote, they will have in each sale $22. So so actually this is the main page of this offer that we are going to promote. You can check it out. It is the great offer of keto diet or keto resources that many people are buying this offer. So we will have this offer. It is only for $37 if anyone get it. For $37, $22 will be our commission. So we need to just promote this. So the main method is that how we are going to promote this. We are going to a social media platform which might be you heard of that and might be you are familiar with that, but the trick is that it is nowadays it is ranking very good, and they have more traffic every day to this social media platform. So that is uh, Pinterest. Pinterest as from 2017 to 2018 till now, they have more traffic than Facebook and Twitter. So if they have more traffic than Facebook and Twitter, so it means that we can get more sales than Facebook and Twitter here in Pinterest. So this is the exact strategy that we need to do it here. So the only thing which is required here in Pinterest, we need to have built this one, which is absolutely free way. I will show you that how you can build these types of posts, and also you need to just do a little SEO work. So if you don't know SEO, I will show you. Stay with me to the very end of this video. I will show you step by step that how we can make the post and pin, and then you can promote that easily here. For example, if we are looking to here, if you just add for example keto recepts, keto diets or keto resources. So if I click here on anyone, so I will see bunch of pins are available for me, and then people are these all people are promoting this product. So if you look to low carbs keto taco cassette, if you just click on this one, this pen, so they will show you they will show me for example 21 keto recipes to lose weight fast, and this is the description. uh, if I scroll down here, if anyone just click here or here, they will redirect me to a page which they are promoting something like that. So how we can get this and how we can have traffic to these types of pins, it is absolutely free. The only thing is that I told you that it needs consistency, your time and a little work. So if you are patient with these types of things and these types of posts, if you have the patience uh, for a month or something like that, you just post consistently, you will have more uh, you will have more uh, money and more sales with Clickbank. So this is the great uh, strategy that most of the people are not following this strategy. They are looking on Facebook, on Twitter, but this Pinterest is a little bit hacky. Why people are not using this strategy is Pinterest. The reason is that Pinterest need a little bit designing and post graphics. So actually they are not willing to just do these graphics and designs. So I will show you the easy way and the free way to make this design very easy and very good. So if you just see all these posts and all these they have bunch of visitors and a bunch of, for example, uh, things. For example, this put 200 to put 116 comments they have this post. Okay, so this is the guy who is promoting this. She is having 1.107k followers, means 100,000, and 700 followers she has actually. So if you see anyone, so they in very limited time they promote their offers and their account, and they gain more followers. So actually you can do it very easily. So how you will do that? Just we are visiting to Canva. Canva is another website that you can promote, and it's absolutely free. You can just sign up with your email address and password in your name, and you will have the account easily. So once you come here, you will see here these are all the templates are available, and it's free templates. For example, this Pinterest graphic. So it is actual size 737 by 1102 pixel is the size of pin or post that you need to do it on Pinterest. So once you click on this, a new page will come which will show you the exact size of that, and you can just edit it and download it, for example. So these are all the Pinterest posts. For example, this is the one post, this is free. Some of the posts are not free, you need to buy those posts, but some of them are free actually. But if you are using these ones, these free, it is great. If you are not using them, you can edit it or just upload your own photos or something like that. You can upload your own photos, and this is the size. You can just make it like that. So actually I don't need to use uh, the post. I'm using these posts. Actually these are free, so I can use these. Once I click here, for example, then I can edit a little bit. So what I need to do is just go to the Pinterest and see what people are looking for example. So this is the SEO work actually. So if I write anything, for example, before posting or pinning in Pinterest, I need to just use the best keyword, for example, keto. These are all the keywords which is coming in the first and people are searching. So in this way, I can gain the best keywords from here. For example, keto recipe, keto dinner recipe, keto diet for beginners, keto meal plan, okay, keto breakfast, keto dessert, keto chicken recipe. So these are all the things I need to just look at. Keto diet for beginners, okay. So I think this is the best keyword, so I can use here, for example. What I need to do is just come to the Canva and paste it here, okay. So it is a longer, actually I need to just do it. I can move this and bring this at the top. So my my photo for Pinterest is ready. So what I need to do is just I'm going to this corner and clicking on Pinterest here on Pinterest, download, and Facebook page, Facebook. So I can just click on the download. Once I click, then I can use the format PNG, GPG. So I can use PNG, then I can click the download button. Once I click the download button, so my photo or picture will be ready that I can post it from there. So what I'm going to next, go to back to Pinterest and click on the pin, okay, to create a pin. Click on the create pin, give the title here. For example, what was the title? So I can use the title here, for example, keto diet for beginners. Sorry, I just make a I just use the previous one, so I have to use this one, keto diet for beginners. Okay. If I click here, okay, I can use like this one, and then I can download again. So once I come to here, keto diet for beginners, then the next thing is that to upload your photo, and then here I can use, for example, tell everyone what your pin is about, means they need description of 500 words. So I can write, for example, this as an amazing big keto diet for beginners strategy to use and your life or your success. So if you want to live longer than expected, then click the link below. Okay, this is an amazing keto diet for beginner strategy to use in your life or your success. If you want to live longer than expected, then click the link below. So what is the most important thing is here that I use this keyword in the title and as well as in the description. So if anybody comes to Pinterest and click on the keto diet, so the Pinterest algorithm will automatically just convert or just bring my page or my pin in front of him. So that is the best strategy to use your keto diet or keyword in the title and description. So that will be the best. And the next and the last thing is that you can come to a destination link here. So I can go to the Clickbank and click on the promote. Once I click on the promote, I can grab my link from here, generate hop link, and copy my link here. So this is my link. I can copy my link here and go to Pinterest and paste it here. One thing another is that you don't need to use the bit.ly link or any other website that they are shortening the link. So you can use direct link here because Pinterest is agree to use their affiliate link. Anyone can bring affiliate links here, but they don't like, for example, bit.ly or shortener links. Actually, that is in their algorithm and that's in their policy. So you don't need to just shorten the link. You can just put or add direct link here. So now it is finished. What I need to do is just select a board. Okay, so these are the boards. Other boards are there, so I can create a new board. For example, I can use uh, keto keto diet success or keto diet uh, receipts. Okay, so try your best to use your board also with the keywords. So in that case, your board and your pin both will rank in the Pinterest successfully and rank higher. So create a board, then board is selected, and then I just keep this post and this board. So now my post is or my pin is ready, each and everything is ready. I can just click on the publish. Once I click on the publish, so my board is done and it's already finished. And if I need to promote pin, so I can click on the promote pin, but I don't need to promote because I only need to use the free strategy. So that's why I am using the same one, see your pin. So I can use, for example, this is my pin. And this is the actually the link. If anyone click here or here, they will redirect to a page. For example, I click here, so it will redirect to my affiliate link or my affiliate page. So this is the main page or my affiliate page. If I show you here, for example, this is my, for example, the link that I have linked. This is my name and this is expert and my other links are here. So this is my page that I am promoting best. So if anyone click or buy, so I will get the commission of $22 easily. So that is the whole procedure and the whole way for that. So if you like, please hit the like button and comment me below anything regarding how to make money online, how to get passive income, and how to work from home.